based then on
Prosecutors in Derek Chauvin's murder trial continued to present their case against the former Minneapolis police officer.
swear or affirm.
Thursday, they called to the stand the now retired police sergeant who was on duty the night George Floyd died.
Do you have an opinion as to when the restraint of Mr. Floyd should have ended in this encounter?
Yes.
What is it?
When Mr. Floyd was no longer offering up any resistance to the officers, they could have ended the restraint.
Jurors were shown graphic video of paramedic Derek Smith checking Floyd's vitals while Chauvin still had his knee on Floyd's neck.
What did his condition appear to be to you overall?
In lay terms, I thought he was dead.
Floyd's girlfriend of 3 years also talked about their struggles with opioid addiction.
We both suffered from chronic pain. Mine was in my neck and his was in his back. We got addicted and tried really hard to break that addiction many times.
All week, jurors have heard emotional testimony from some who witnessed George Floyd's final moments in a trial that's moving faster than expected.
And it brings the entire incident back to anguish.
It's possible the defense could file for a mistrial because the police sergeant made a comment about use of force, despite not being qualified as an expert.
You have to understand that defense lawyers move for many mistrials during the course of a trial, in part to preserve an issue for appeal if a defendant were to be convicted.
A big part of the defense's strategy centers on Floyd's addiction, claiming it was largely responsible for his death.